When the moon was in an Earth constellation, the emphasis was on well-formed, larger roots. Sowing when the moon was in water constellations produced especially well-developed leaf and stem growth. Air constellations produced longer-lasting flowers, and fire, a stronger emphasis on fruit and seed development. Further research on her farm showed that when seeds are sown during certain events such as eclipses, even if they're only visible in another part of the world, there is a lasting, unfavorable effect on the plants. These discoveries have enormous implications for growers.